everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to change to sentence case in Excel sheet. To change this string to sentence case, you can apply KU Tools for Excel's change case utility. Select the cells you use and click the KU Tools tab. In the editing group, click the text drop-down list and select change case. In the change case dialog box, check the option as you need under the change type. I will check the sentence case. Click the OK button. As you can see, the case has been changed and you can compare it with the original text to see the differences. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.